Hi everyone, I'm starting my show called European Girls Are Talented, so let's begin. The first video is by Alisa Verechova from Russia. Wow, that's quite a talent. Next video is from Belarus. Seeing her makes you wonder what kind of life she had, didn't you? Now, my final video is from Estonia. Let's see.
My wind chime, I got the ride. We'll have a good time, make up your mind. Holding me, girl, is so fine. Girl, just let me be there for you anytime. You're so fine. For you, I time the longest line. You're so fine. I get my coat and wine. What's up, I'm really wanna shop my mind. My bad man, and that's what I'm nine. I'll be your sunshine, my girl. Just let me be there for you anytime. You're so fine. For you, I time.
Damn, you go, girl. I didn't know that Estonian women could dance like that, but very nice. Now, before I finish, I like to ask a favor for you fine European ladies. If you think you're talented and you wanna be seen, then please send me a link to my Facebook page. It's below my video channel, you can find it. And remember, I always wanna see a good talent.